Hi and welcome to a Visualogyx tutorial. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to efficiently navigate to the Visualogyx app and complete an inspection that has been shared with you. Let's get started. When someone shares an inspection with you on the Visualogyx platform, you will receive an email notification like this one. Using your mobile device, tap the View Inspection link in the email. This will direct you to this Visualogyx screen where you need to create an account by providing a name and a password. Your email address will be pre-populated and cannot be changed. You may need to verify your email by entering the code sent to you. After verifying your email, you will get a screen asking you to download the Visualogyx app to continue your journey. Tap on Get the app. Download the Visualogyx mobile application from the App Store, and then open it. Once in the mobile app, log in with the email address you used to sign up before. After logging in, you will be redirected to the shared inspection screen in the Visualogyx app. Now you're ready to start your inspection. The inspection shared with you will be on the list. Tap on it to open it. Fill out the inspection form by following the prompts and answering all the questions related to the inspection. Once you have answered all the questions and provided all the necessary information, tap on Mark as Complete on the final screen. This will notify the party monitoring your inspection that you have completed it. Remember, if you are not new to Visualogyx and have created an account before, you can access inspections shared with you by going to the Shared With Me section in the app. You have completed the inspection shared with you using the Visualogyx app. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please contact our support team. Thank you for choosing Visualogyx.